Yo, how's it going, boys? So, it's Luca Trades here. This is the first episode, or video rather, of the documenting my trades and my trade journey. So, um, it is 8:39 New York time. I have my chart set to New York time, but here in the Midwest, Illinois, it's actually 7:39, but doesn't really matter. Well, it does matter in this context, but yeah, it just hit 8:30 like 10 minutes ago. So I'm watching for this low for liquidity and this high for liquidity. I'd rather we come up to this high first and then we start to push down because I'm pretty bearish looking at what happened in London. But we pushed down super far. I caught this like little up move, and that was just on like a practice count, but this is the funded account, like real challenge. So yeah, we have the 15-minute up right here, and we have the 1 minute or 5 minute up here. Sorry, I'm tired. But yeah, I'm going to be watching out for any trade setups, and the clip that you guys see next will be the trades that I take today, if I take any trades. So, yeah. Okay, I'm watching right here. We have this fair value gap. Holy shit. Alright, let's be careful here. F it. The risk to reward is super good. Yeah. Alright, we got our stop placed. Gotta be careful. Nice, 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 nice. Alright. Where are we trying to head to? That's what I'm thinking, is we head up here. Low key. Alright, so we're in this trade. Alright, so yeah. Let's just watch this play out here, and I'll yeah. Back to you guys after the trade. Or time, let's say something, so yeah. Sorry about that. I don't know, like I'm low-key trying to see us get like up here or something. Cause like, yeah, so we have this liquidity right here, but there's also like a shit ton just like in here. So that's why I'm kind of like trying to be careful. I don't want to be like over greedy is the thing, right? But we're already fucking hard rejecting. Like, this thing looks like it has a lot of momentum. Maybe we just say fuck it and we put our TP above this liquidity. And we can see, you know, let's just see if we get there. I'm going to mark 9:30. Okay. So we have basically until there to have a safe trade. So let's go. That's good. That was a really good entry. Alright, let's watch this thing play out. Break it, man. Break it. Break it. Break it right now. Oh my god. I love that. I love that break. If we don't head straight for this, then I'm gonna kill myself anyways, but this is 100% a winner, boys, so fuck it. I mean, you can't really get better than that shit. Heading into TP right now. Shit. We are fucking going. Holy fuck. That little consolidation is just preparing the fucking power move. Not even capping. Not even capping. It wants to fucking go right now. Just hit it. Just hit it. Just hit TV. Please. Quad father. The quad father. Stand with it, boys. Trusting my craft that I've learned in about 2 weeks. Come on. Just fucking hit TP. Blast off. Blast off. Blast off. Upper decky. Upper decky. Come on. One more up for the boys, and I'm just so fucking happy with that. Fuck it. I could care less, boys. If this rejects hard, then I don't even care. And if it goes back up, then I also don't care. That was a fucking beastly trade either way. I'm not even trolling. I really do not even care. Like, oh my god, we hit an order block. Like, I don't care. It doesn't matter. It's a W in the books. Alrighty, boys. We have the 9:30 open right about now. So, I want to see if this thing wants to come up and then liquidity sweep this level right here. And then fall down and we can target here. You know, or it could just fucking go straight down. That's quite nice. Don't really care, you know. Alright, you guys, we have just made a 1 minute for value gap after breaking this swing high. Fuck, I mean, just doesn't fucking slow down, man. There's no way. Watching to buy a few here. If we can tap into this 1 minute for value gap. Nice. Okay, we are in at 5 contracts, which is the max. So let's pull out our obnoxiously huge keyboard and freaking put the trade in, man. he got stopped, as you can see right here. So I guess that trade just did not want to work out in our favor. I'm not going to try and chase anything anymore. Yeah. That's just going to be what we have so far. If I take any more trades, you'll see them. But if not, then we'll just go straight to analyzing. So yeah. Okay, so that was the first trading day of the new year, 2024, and the first trading day of this YouTube account. So we're going to go over the two trades that I took today. The first one was really good on NQ, and then the second one was not so good on MNQ. I'm glad I took the micros on that one because it wasn't really the best play. I should have just ran with this profit, but yeah. So this is the first play. We're just going to go over like what I saw and my analysis on, why I got in. So yeah, you guys can see, what's it called, 830 hit right here. So I always like to mark out the prominent liquidity after 830, which would be here under this equal low and here above this high. So I knew that going into today, the market would be definitely bearish, and I said that on my weekly analysis, right? I said it. I knew today was going to be bearish. I'm pretty proud of that. I just couldn't catch really that much during the day because there was nothing that went with my system. But anyways, yeah, so my idea was that they would try to, and by they I mean like the market makers, but my idea was that they would try to maybe take out this liquidity in order to push down at 930. And I was kind of close, except they just didn't take out the liquidity, but they did push down at 930. I honestly could have maybe just went short like up here, but I didn't want to risk, waiting for this liquidity to break and then waiting for it to go back down and just taking all that heat. Sorry, I just woke up from a nap. But yeah. So, getting into the logistics. Let's just head to the 5-minute real quick. I don't know why it fucking runs away from me on the 5. Okay. Wait, I'm tripping. Hold up. Okay, wait, I might be tripping. I'm pretty sure there was also a fair value gap of some sort for this play. Yeah, it was, okay. It was a 15-minute fair value gap. So, okay, yeah, there we go. So, heading back to the 1. Yeah, so I had the 15-minute on my screen as well. So, I saw both of those. We do have the bullish order block, and we also have this 15-minute fair value gap. Now, what made this play really good is that we had this little low right here that broke, right? So we rocket off here, pull back into this fair value gap, and we break this previous swing high. then price retraces, breaking this low, which could cause people to go short. There's going to be a little bit of liquidity there, so there might be some stops, and then we just fucking pushed up. So my original target was above this black line, because that would be where the liquidity lies, right? Because we have relative equal highs. So maybe we'll watch out for that later in the week for a bullish play. But yeah, as soon as we came down in and tapped this middle line of the order block, I was like, all right, I'm in. So I bought a contract there, and I set my TP for here, right? As soon as we came up to here, I thought it would just, take out the TP and we'd be chilling. And then we saw really fast, you guys probably saw it on the video, but as soon as we came up here, it was like a really fast, like, boom, like down to here in like a minute and a half. And so I just got out. So I'll show you guys the executions. Where are my executions at? Oh, I don't know. Something's being weird with the executions, but yeah. So I actually sold on this candle, right? I bought on this candle and sold on this candle when it came back down to here. Or this candle rather. I just didn't want to risk anything happening. It's really close to open. So, yeah, that trade, if we head to our journal, if we head to our journal, that trade was $540 trade. So that was pretty good. Yeah, we had a 4.0 risk to reward as well. It's pretty nice, So, really good first trade. I'm happy with that. I needed to make sure that I stayed green. So, I decided if there was any more setups, I'm going to take micro contracts instead. Right? So that's what I did. We have this big liquidity. So it's this line. If we go back, it is this, I believe. I actually moved it. Yeah. So we have this huge liquidity, which is also in line with these lows actually. But yeah, so either way, broke that. Right here, we broke it. Pushed down a little more. And then we had a huge push up where we broke this swing high and this swing high. So I was like, alright, bet. Let's find a fair value gap that we can retrace to for an entry. I'll check what this looks like on the 3-minute. Yeah, so I was watching. I got in right away on this 2-minute fair value gap, and it's also a 1-minute fair value gap, but I got in right away with the intention of taking a little bit of heat, right? I put my stop, was originally going to be under this candle's low, but I was like, there's multiple fair value gaps, like maybe it just wants to pull down a little bit more, but I ended up putting my real stop right here, which is where I got stopped out at. The only thing that I think was wrong with this trade, really, I would say is probably the fact that it did not align with my daily bias. I was kind of trying to just call the bottom or something, which is really, really stupid to try and do when you could just play something more predictable. So this was probably just a liquidity grab above this high, just to go lower. It was. So, but yeah, honestly, looking back on today, both my trades had good analysis. It's just this one didn't align with my daily bias. And that's all there is really to it. But yeah, you can see on the calendar for today, let me full screen it. It's kind of messed up. It's all the way on the bottom, but unlike my big PC, it shows better. But 2 trades, Tuesday the 2nd, $246. So yes, we are chilling, boys. It's actually, the market opened 18 minutes ago for the next day, which is, it's still the 2nd. Sorry, I'm so freaking tired. It's still the 2nd, but it's 5 o'clock East or Central. So it's 6 o'clock New York. So the market opens for Asian session. But yeah, I'm gonna keep my eye out. The end of the day. If we look at the end of the day, right, it was looking kind of like bottom-ish, like kind of a little bit bottom-like. And also we have a lot of liquidity that we maybe want to take out before heading lower, because that was a huge move. If you look, we're already in that fair value gap that I was talking about for the weekly. Already in there, right? So, maybe I will take a trade during the Asian session or something, possibly. But nothing seems really, really worth it. The only thing I know is that we have really, really prominent liquidity above here. So there's 3 relative equal highs. And above here, which has 2 relative equal highs. You could even say above here, but I don't want to call too much bullishness, because this week is super bearish. But yeah, actually, I'm just going to delete everything on here and just chart NQ. NQ literally has equal highs right here. But yeah. Alright, that should be the end of this video. First day, $246 in the trading challenge, paper trading, funded account challenge. And we are on the road. I'm going to try and record all these trading days. It's going to be hard because I don't like waking up at 7 in the morning, but, maybe I can pull it off. Alright, boys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.